Meaning of hawker.
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 Hawker. The term hawker typically refers to a person who sells goods, often food or small items, in the streets or in public places. Hawkers can be seen in many parts of the world, from Asia to Europe and beyond, and often play an important role in providing affordable goods to local communities. Some hawkers may operate informally, without a license or permission, while others work within established markets or street vending zones. Despite their contributions to local economies, hawkers can face challenges such as harassment, eviction, and legal restrictions on their activities.